Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we are starting 4-3, has to do with reasonableness, REQ. How can I check that my answer is reasonable? Okay, this is what we are looking for. Does it make sense? Okay, that's what we're keeping in mind when we're solving these problems. Okay, so I believe there's a typo here, so I will read it as it's supposed to be typed. How many 6-ounce glasses can you fill with 32 ounces of orange juice? How many bags are needed for 32 apples if each bag holds 6 apples? Are your answers reasonable? So let's go back, highlight those important bits. Okay, so first thing, my final question. Well, I'm just going to circle it because it connects to how many bags are needed and how many 6-ounce glasses can you fill. Okay, so those are questions that we need to answer and then come to the reasonable side of it. But our bits of information is we are talking about 6-ounce glasses, we have 32 ounces of juice, we have 32 apples, and bags that hold 6 apples. So, got a lot of information there. Let's get it organized, okay? So we're going to pull it over into the brace map. So the thing that we have to keep in mind, first and foremost, when we get to a final answer, is we're looking for reasonable, okay? So the first question that we're going to be asking ourselves, is it reasonable, is how many 6-ounce glasses, okay? And then, how many bags? And the information we have is 32, look at that, interesting, same numbers, 32 ounces or bags are both being considered, okay? And then 6 apples or 6-ounce glasses. So a bag holds 6 apples, okay? And the glass holds 6 ounces, okay? So the first thing we're going to think about is let's draw that picture, help us visualize, get that picture in our melon, in our brain. Okay, so we have the whole number. We've got, think about this, we've got a pitcher. I'm not a good artist. Here's our pitcher, and I'll put the pour spout, and when it's full, it holds 32 ounces. So the question is, how many 6-ounce cups can we fill with our pitcher of 32 ounces? So if you're going to draw that picture without drawing the pitcher, notice that. Picture, drawing, pitcher filled with juice. I'll try and be more careful when I'm speaking, okay? So I drew the picture with a pitcher. Now I'm going to organize that information. I'm going to say my pitcher, that I'm going to share between 6-ounce cups. Oh, there's one 6-ounce cup. There's another 6-ounce cup. And we have to figure out how many, right? Well, that tells you what kind of math I'm going to be doing. Okay? So, you could go, well, let's see here. 32 divided by 6, right? So 6 goes into 3, no times. 6 goes into 32, well, 6 times what is close to 32 without going over? Okay, and that would be 5. 5 times 6 is 30. Now we have to subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. So we have a remainder of 2, right? Because our 2 goes up there. So, what's our final answer? Well, we've got 2 questions here, right? We've got glasses and bags. So, if I were just going to put in my answer, I am looking for my pencil. Here we go. Well, I divided 32 by 6, and I got 5 remainder 2. So that's what I need. 5 remainder 2 glasses, or 5 remainder 2 bags, right? Wrong. You can't have a remainder bag. Walmart is not going to say, hey, tear this bag in half and use only half of it because you don't need the whole thing, right? So, if we were to look at what this looks like, here's 1 bag, here's 2 bags, 3, 4, 5 bags, right? So if we put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. How many do we need? 32. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Well, I can't divide it evenly. I've got 30 ounces or 30 apples. So 1 more bag will give us the 2, right? So now I have a total of 32 apples or 32 ounces of juice, but I have a bag that's not full, but I still need it. Okay, we talked about this last week about half of the school bus too, right? Okay, you can't have part of a bag. Walmart won't let you cut it in half. And you can't have part of a glass. It won't hold juice very well. So, the 6th one won't be full, but it will still hold some of it. So our final answer here of glasses or bags would actually be 6. Even though our math is 5 remainder 2, a reasonable answer, we have to bump it up to a whole other bag or glass. Okay? That's reasonableness. 5 remainder 2 glasses is not reasonable. You have to check with yourself. Does it make sense? Okay? See ya.